So this is what I got from Funko HQ, and I can't wait to see what I got. Welcome to Sammie's Toy Reviews. Ooh, let me go and see which one is this. Guys, do you know what this is? Star Wars! This is so cool. Mystery Minis plushies. And you know what I really want to get? It's Ray of Jakku, right over there. She's my favorite. So let's see what I got inside. Let's see. I got Chewbacca! He's so cute! So this is what I got, Chewbacca right here. He's so cute and he's so soft. It's so squishy. I better give this to my dad. Let's do the next one. Let's open it. Let's open the next one. This is the Funko Pops DC Superhero Girls. So cool. And it's Mystery Minis. Mystery Minis, of course. Let's open it. These are the ones you can collect. And you know the one that I want to get? It's Wonder Woman. Let's see if we can get it. Okay. Yeah. I can get it. Do it. Got it. Now, let's see. Oh, it's in a blind bag. Let's open it. Where should we go? Okay. There's the menu. Who did I get, girls? Who is this girl? She looks like Harley Quinn. Whoa. I got Harley Quinn. Look at her. She's so cool. Look at her hair. Look at her hairstyle. It looks so cool. The next one. It's Snow White. You know which one I want to get? It is Snow White. It is Snow White. It's Pint Size Heroes, Disney, Snow White, and the Seven Dwarfs. I really want to get Snow White. The ones that you can collect. Let's open it. Who did I get? It's Snow White! The one I got! She's so cute! See the collector's guide. Oh, there's Snow White! She's so cute. This is the one I got. Oh, and the next one, I really want to get this one, and all of it. So we can, like, make a Funko Pop movie. See on the back. Woo, so cool. See this one. Wait, I feel two. I'm gonna grab the two. It kind of feels like. What do I have, guys? It's the Jasmine and Aladdin pencils from the new Aladdin movie. Whoa, this is so cool. Wait, what is this? I can't sure. Wait, what? These are pens. Whoa, this is so cool. Definitely writing with this. So cool. I got Aladdin and Jasmine pens. I can't wait to use them. Let's use them. I'm going to use Jasmine here. Here, let me write. It's the same one as Snow White. It's Pint Size Heroes. And it's the Marvels. Let's open it. It's Thor! This is so cool. It's Disney Funko Pops! Whoa, this is so cool. It's Disney Mystery Minis. So cool. And you know the one that I got? What? It's Anna. I can't wait to see what I got. Let's try it. Mystery. It's a mystery. Mystery. What did I get? What did I get? What did I get? Please be Anna. Please. What did I get, guys? I got the Cinderella's sidekick mice. I love it. It's so cute. So cool. He's really, really cute. This is my second favorite. I need to feed him some cheese. I know he likes it. This is what I got. Do they look so cool? Pick your favorites, guys, in the comments. My favorite is the Jasmine and Aladdin pens. Hope you like my video, and please give thumbs up and like and subscribe.